Hey guys, are you want to buy best dash cam for truckers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best dash cam for truckers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, dash cam front and rear Chordo. The Chordo dash cam is yet another popular choice for a dash cam system, which will be an ideal option for trucks. This is a set of 2 camera units along with a digital display unit, making it a complete package. As for the recording resolution, you will get up to 1080 FHD resolution support, which will be fine for the included 3 inches display. However, the cameras offer 170-degree FOV, which is not as common compared to other devices in this price range. Even the night vision performance of the Chordo dash cam is quite admirable. It uses a 6 PCSI or LED design to offer high-quality footage at night. You will notice a significant upgrade in the night vision performance thanks to the WDR technology. It also has many critical features that most users find useful, such as loop recording and emergency accidental lock, so that you will always have reliable surveillance footage in the event of an accident. Now number 4, Nexer Beam GPS dash cam. The Nexer Beam dash cam is one of the best devices we could find for a dash cam in terms of features and functionality. For the specifications, you will find standard hardware features on this camera, such as FHD 1080 recording resolution along with a 135-degree wide recording angle. And since this is a smart option, it does not include a display unit in the set like other options. But with that being said, you should consider the fact that you can use your smartphone, laptop, or tablet as a display for this set, since it has Wi-Fi support. And to back up all of your footage permanently, Nexer is offering unlimited cloud storage, which is exclusive to this unit. You will also find a 32 GB SD card for instant backup of current surveillance footage. Our third product is the Edge Dual Dashcam Touchscreen. This is a great choice for the price, since it has dual-channel camera support with up to 1080 FHD recording support. However, the best feature of this set has to be its display. Unlike most other options, this unit has a 4 inches wide touchscreen digital display that allows on-screen control of the system. You will be able to adjust the camera angles up to 155 degrees for both the front as well rear camera unit. There are 4 preset modes that you can choose from to automatically set the system according to your driving style. You will also find super clear night vision along with WDR technology that can easily detect minute details even in pitch black environments. Now our second product is Red Tiger F7 and 4K Dual Dash Cam. You must have heard about Red Tiger if you have previously looked for dash cam systems. Red Tiger is a rather premium brand that offers a great selection of dash cams for professional drivers. This set includes 2 high-quality cameras that provide you both front and rear view on the included display. As for the front camera, you will find a stunning 4K capture resolution, which can be adjusted to 2.5K to compensate for the storage. The rear camera, on the other hand, has FHD 1080 resolution. The display of the Red Tiger F7 N set comes with a 3.16 inches IPS display panel, which is the perfect option for a 4K surveillance camera. You can install up to 256 GB SD cards on this set, so that storage capacity won't be a problem for you. Other smart features of the Red Tiger F7 N include a built-in Wi-Fi and GPS functionality that allows direct connection with smartphones, with many advanced functionality such as GPS tracking. This unit has a lifetime warranty period from Red Tiger. And now our last choice is Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. This is the most popular option available in the market right now due to its phenomenal feature set. First of all, it offers a 4K 2106 type recording camera that also features WDR technology for reliable night vision performance. This camera has a 150-degree recording angle, which is simply perfect for trucks. As for the display, the Rove R2 dash cam set comes with a 2.4 inches wide LCD display, which is built in with the camera. Therefore, installation of the set is easier than ever. The camera, on the other hand, works on Sony's IMX335 image sensor, which is specifically designed for dash cams. This sensor allows high-speed video recording with no drawbacks. Since this is a 4K camera, you will get up to 512 GB SD card support on this system. So, What do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.